Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share a very useful home remedy to get strong and thickened hair, and it also stop hair fall. Before starting our video, please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. To make this remedy we need lemon, onion and coconut oil. Here we blended the onion to get juice out of it. Here we take 4 spoons of onion juice. Add 4 spoons of coconut oil. And last, add 1 spoon of lemon juice. Now mix this mixture very well. When your mixture is ready, use this oil on your scalp very nicely. It will help you to make your hair stronger and thicker, and it will stop your hair from the falling out. So friends, thank you so much for watching our videos, and bye bye.